I ordered slime for the first time. I've been suggested a lot of shorts on YouTube by OG Slime, so shout out to them. So I can't wait to play with slime for the first time as an adult. I maybe played with it as a kid, like the little putty stuff in the jar. Like, that's all I remember ever playing with slime. But this time, I'm gonna have my own jar of slime that I ordered, and it looks so gorgeous. I'm gonna go get it because it should be in my mailbox. It said it was delivered. I'll be very upset if it's not, because this is like the most excited I've been in a while for getting like a package of anything. Okay, I will be back. Also, I'm still renovating my house, so this room is unpainted. As you can tell, it looks like crap. What color should I paint this room? Open to suggestions. I clearly have started doing purple over here, so yeah, let me know. I think I'm gonna do green as well for some detail colors. I don't know, let me know. Okay, let's do this. Okay, so this actually came from LA too, which is crazy right now because of all the fires there. Shout out to you guys. I hope you guys are okay. Okay. So this is what it looks like. OG slime. Kaboom. OG. Oh my gosh. Okay. I can't even wait. So the way, ooh, okay. So the way that it looked was very cloudy when I purchased it. Oh, okay. Wow. So that's kind of what it looked like when I bought it. And I gotta mix it all together. Wow. I feel like my reaction isn't like as excited as I thought I was gonna be, but it's also because this is really cold. I just got this from like 0 degrees outside, so I feel like I need to warm it up. Oh, look at that. I love that. The clouds, look at the clouds. Oh my gosh. Yeah, it definitely needed to be like warmed up a little bit. And then I can do it like this. Oh my gosh. It is so satisfying, you guys. You just kind of like stretch it and then let it go. It just goes. Look. I feel like a kid right now. I totally am a kid though. So I've never done these videos before, so I don't know what y'all want to see. But I feel like I keep getting the better view of it. Like, hold on. I want to do a good poll for y'all. Just a good one. Okay, so I just figured out how to do even more. Not really, but just like how you guys can see it better. It's literally gorgeous, and I love it so much. I'm obsessed, you guys. The way that it feels is so soft, and then it just falls. Oh yeah, buddy. Oh yeah, buddy. I've already dropped 2 chunks on the ground, so warning, don't do that, because it's so like, it just like starts to fall very quickly before you realize it. Gorgeous, gorgeous, just gorgeous. It's like a waterfall. You guys see how shaky I am? I didn't eat breakfast and I had coffee, so I'm sorry if I'm shaky, but I'll do one more, one more, and then I'll let you guys go and have your own day. Okay, so I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. And I can't stop doing this. Watch. Watch and learn. And look at that. It's so soft. It's so soft. I love it so much. It's so soft, you guys. I just want to put my face in it, but I won't. Obsessed. Obsessed.